Welcome to my workshop. I am Joshua Haun, here to walk you through the process of designing and modeling a Victorian house in Blender that will then be composed in Unreal 5. I've had many years of experience working on large game projects as an environment artist, first with Infinity Ward on Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, Modern Warfare, and Warzone, then later developing maps for Valorant with Riot Games. I am now at Elsewhere Entertainment, a rather new studio formed by Activision to develop a brand new narrative-focused IP. All quite different projects, but the through line for me has been a consistent focus on architectural design in my environment work. I've studied many forms of architecture extensively, and over the course of this workshop, you will learn not just techniques on how to model architecture, but the theory and historical precedent that is at the root of design. As games begin to further veer into photorealism, players notice when the environments feel off in a way they can't quite put their finger on. A meticulously rendered building still feels off if its proportions aren't composed properly, and no level of hyperreal graphics can justify designs that feel empty without a historical or narrative justification. Therefore, as I cover modeling and texturing techniques used in environment art, I will also be explaining much of the historical precedent and design theory behind a Queen Anne house that could justifiably be built in the residential enclaves of New York's Hudson River Valley, a traditional hotspot for the Queen Anne Victorian vernacular. I hope you enjoy the workshop and learn something new.